Black Friday is here. And with that, we are doing our biggest sale for our introductory courses that we are doing live in both December for our Christmas courses, learning how to play Christmas music on the lyre, and then January we will be doing several different courses. We will be doing Lyre for Re-enactment and the 10 different ways to play the lyre, which include looping, which is what I do in my videos, and strumming chords, and improvising and writing music as well, and two-handed playing. And we have a couple of other courses coming up as well, which might sneak into our Cyber Monday. We have how to use lyre music for pregnancy and the birth of your baby and newborns and all that sort of stuff, which we're really excited to announce and really excited to have coming up. And the lyre has changed my life. I mean, I love music, and I have played music since I was just a little one, but having the lyre has changed things. It's helped my mental health. It's helped me connect with my kids. My kids want to pick it up and play it every time they see me playing it, which is both fun and a little bit frustrating when I'm trying to practice something. But it's awesome to see them learning an instrument as well, and learning and wanting to learn it. And so I'm really happy to be able to share this with everybody, and I truly believe it's the easiest instrument to learn after teaching many different instruments as an elementary school music teacher, and sing it with my own kids who have picked up many different instruments over the years, but love to come back to the lyre as well. So we have lots of information about how to buy your first lyre in our free course on our website, and link of course is just below. And so we have everything you need to get started, and of course the lessons to get from first owning your lyre to being able to play songs on it and being able to impress all of your friends. So Black Friday is here, and we are here as well with our Black Friday sale. And if you missed this one, be sure to check out our Cyber Monday. These will be the best deals you will get for these courses. And we are looking forward to seeing you in the courses, the Christmas one in December and the rest of them in January. So be sure to check them out, and we'll have you playing your lyre soon. Happy Black Friday, Thanksgiving, and Cyber Monday.